Wait, what's going on?
Look, Vic, you probably gathered by now I'm with the government.
Where's Elizabeth?
You know, she'd be really proud of you. We did everything we could, but she didn't make it. But Medita, it works. And we want to keep working with you on it. And we've done something I think you'll find very interesting. We've taken your bracelet design and advanced it. Hey, that's a neurotransmitter. It sends the same feelings your bracelet does without any contact from the user at all. We transmit through microwaves, through electromagnetic radiation. Vic, this is your baby. And we want to keep working with you on it, under our supervision, of course. And there's just one small change. And it's pretty incredible. Instead of sending just love, we'll be sending other emotions.
Wait. I don't understand.
Imagine what Desert Storm would have looked like if we never had to put boots on the ground. If before that, we had driven the enemy insane or made to feel suicidal.
That's not what I did this for. You have no right to hold me. I want my attorney.
Okay. As you wish.
Hey, this is not my attorney!